Hi, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to stop audio ads on your web pages. Sometimes when you're visiting web pages, a pop-up appears and in the background there's some sound playing and it's quite annoying. So the first thing you want to do is block those pop-ups. I'm using Firefox as my browser because it's a fairly easy browser to use, but you can probably do this on any browser. So let's go to your Firefox and open up the preferences. Once you're there, click on the Content tab and make sure the Block Pop-up Windows is checked. Mine is already checked. You can also add some exceptions for websites that you don't mind having the pop-up ads. I don't know why you would have exceptions. I don't have any. So let's just exit out of that. Once you're done with that, most audio ads will have stopped. But if you want some extra added protection, you can go to adblockplus.org and click on Install AdBlock Plus. It's a free extension for Firefox, and once you've installed it, it will block most, if not all, audio ads. I'm Omar and I